acknowledge myself. I'll be one of the advisor of this organization. And of course, to support our officers, we have for our social media, we have Maria Martina Corpus. To support for our upcoming events, we have Adeline Caro. And our liaison officer, we have Ana Joy Diaz Santa. Alright, so normally guys, we're